Hello channel, welcome to my guys.
Hey guys, I started my day off by waking up at 5:53 a.m. Then I brushed my teeth and decided to find an outfit for the gym. Deciding what to wear for the gym in the morning is like the hardest task ever, but for some reason I would never do it the night before. So here's what I decided to wear. I went with a black t-shirt, some pink tights, and this brown zip up. I literally love this one from H&M. Then I put on my shoes and I was ready to go. This was the whole outfit. I loved it. And this is me in the hallway. By the way, this hallway is literally the scariest hallway you'll ever find. Like, it's literally like a horror movie. I get so scared every single day, but it is what it is and I have to do it every day. But like, it is so scary, so scary. It was literally so dark outside. Here's a view of what my college looked like at like 6 in the morning. Then I did a little bit of the bicycle, and here's what the gym looks like. It's very pretty, by the way. So it was a leg day. Here's me doing some squats, and like, I was struggling, but it's okay, we'll get back into it slowly. Here's me doing some RDLs. Comment down below if you work out or not, because you probably should, because it's like really good for you. Then after coming back from the gym, I decided to get ready for my classes because I didn't have much time here to get ready. So here's me putting on my moisturizer, my sunscreen. I couldn't even do my whole skincare routine, but here's me just vibing to a song. And I was like really rushed, but I made it. I put everything I need in my bag and my laptop, my iPad, everything I needed, and then I decided to leave. Let's go because we're like super late. I was really late, but we gotta get the clips. So my first class was C programming, and please do enjoy this next clip of me and my friend because it's gold content.
Hello guys. Hello channel, welcome to my guys.
Hello channel, welcome to my guys.
Hey guys, I am back and I'm done with my classes for today. I have no more classes today and it's currently 2:37 p.m. and I'm really tired, but I don't think that I have spoken to you guys yet. So hi, welcome back to my channel, welcome to a new video. So I'm in my hostel and I hope that you are enjoying the little like day in my life so far. But for now, we are gonna clean up. Like, you have no idea what kind of a mess my room is in right now. Like, it's bad. Let's just clean up first. Let's clean up. I'm done cleaning the room. It looks much better. I also changed into some comfy clothes. Yeah, this is a thermal top, by the way. But my room looks so much better. So I got a little package. So let's open it. I just got some tights. It's cute, isn't it? It's cute. I got the same one in this bluish color. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. I just hope it fits nicely. Yep, I am gonna video call my mom because she really wants to see the package. Because if she doesn't like it, I'm not gonna like it either. Hello!
Hello.
Hi, so it's been 10 minutes and I think I am gonna study now. Like, I'm gonna try to study now because I have a little exam which is very important on 30th of January. So I gotta prepare for that because today is 24th of January and I need to study. So yeah, also I'm only gonna keep one of the tights, which is the blue one. I'm not keeping the pink one. My mom didn't like it basically, and now I don't like it either. By the way, I'm gonna study MCP, and if you're wondering what that is, MCP is modern computational physics. I'm studying electrodynamics right now, so yeah, that is the plan. Let's like not waste any time and study. Let's do it.
Honey space, a virtual escape. Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. 'Cause every day I'm turning upside down, down. Don't let me guarantee that I waste away on my knees as I plead. Gotta save today. A blue sea's all I see. Can I find my way? Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
Hello, it is much later now, and right now it is 10:09. I studied and then I went out with my friends. So yeah, that's what's been going on. But right now I am gonna study a little more. Like, I really don't want to study right now, I'm gonna be honest. I want to sleep. I really want to sleep because I do have to wake up at like the same time again, go to the gym again, and then go to the classes again. So I really want to sleep, but that unfortunately isn't an option for the next 2 hours. It just isn't. So we're gonna study, and we're still gonna study MCP. That is the plan.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying there? You always let me know.
Hello. So I am really tired and I just want to sleep right now. So I think I'm done for today with studies. Like I'm good. Okay, so let's talk a little bit how my life is right now, and like while living in hostel away from home. So I'm not gonna say it's not fun, because it is kind of fun being with your friends and everything. It is fun, but I miss my home and I miss Sam so damn much. Like, I miss him so much. Miss my family. Like, I miss everything. Like, you know, like I don't know, like I love it here, but I miss that as well, like, if I make any sense. But yeah, that is what it is. Like, it is what it is, you know. It is kind of tough. Like, you have to do everything by yourself. I have to wash my dishes, I have to clean my room, which actually you should do by yourself, but like my mom made it really easy for me when I was at home. So yeah, I have to do every single thing by myself. So it is not easy, but it's not that bad as well. You'll get through it. So yeah, that's that, and that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, loved it, and if you did, then subscribe and press the bell so that you never miss any upload from me. And like this video, share this video, and comment down below which year you're in or whatever you're studying right now. Just comment that down below. And yeah, that is actually it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.